Okay, folks, here is for pictures of snow that I was asked to do a video on. And we missed the first storm. We're getting the second storm now. Visibility is very, very poor. It is a little after 1 in the afternoon on December 3rd. So this is our fields. We got a road down there somewhere, but you just can't see it. And there's our grape arbor. Let me open the door here. See if y'all can see the snow coming down. It's coming down pretty good. Yesterday in the southern part of the state, they got 9 inches of snow, some places a foot. So we missed that storm, which was good. But I don't know how much we're going to get out of this storm. I will come back and share some more with you, some pictures. I would say right now we probably have 3 inches of snow, which isn't a whole lot, but the visibility is very poor. Okay, I would say the storm is all over. It's more of a rain now. If I had to guess, we only got probably 6 inches of snow here. It's drifted a lot and the wind's been blowing hard. So it's really hard to tell what we got for inches. But let me see if I can move this a little. Very wet snow. Very, very wet. We probably got 6 inches of snow. That would be what my guess is. And it, like I said, it's very wet. And I'll see if I can insert some pictures when Ray gets home. He will probably snow blow tonight, maybe not till tomorrow. So if you like this video, please give me thumbs up so YouTube knows there's a lot rocking on here. And you never know what's going to be on my video. Have a great day. God bless. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.